Hi guys, welcome to the new topic of discussion normal microflora. The normal microbial flora. It is nothing but the microorganisms that are found on human or other animals or even on inanimate objects without causing disease. Approximately about 100 trillion bacteria forms normal flora which helps to prevent us becoming colonized with the pathogenic bacteria. Normal flora influences anatomy, physiology, susceptibility to the pathogens. Two types of normal microflora are studied. One is resident normal microflora. The second one, transient normal microflora. Resident consists of organisms which are regularly present in a particular area, and when disturbed, it can re-establish itself. Example, E. coli, normal inhabitant of an intestine. Transient flora consists of organisms which inhabit on the surface of the body or mucous membrane for a limited time period. They can be either pathogenic or non-pathogenic. Microbes that inhabit on skin for several days or weeks do not establish itself permanently. These are the example of transient microflora. What are the advantages? It prevents or suppresses the entry of pathogen. Also evokes the antibody production. Other than this, the endotoxins liberated by normal microflora helps in defense mechanism of the body, also helps in synthesizing of vitamins. Now the disadvantages that are involved are the colonies produced by the normal microflora may become pathogenic when immunity is lowered. Also can cause confusion during the diagnosis due to the ubiquitous presence and resemblance to some of the pathogens. Now, different types of normal microflora based on human body we are going to study, out of which the first one is normal flora of skin. We all know skin acts as a physical barrier to prevent the invasion of foreign pathogens. Also, skin is a hostile environment wherein the harsh landscape of skin, particularly the desiccated, nutrient-poor, acidic environment, contributes to adversity that pathogens face when colonizing human skin. Important bacteria residing on skin are Staphylococcus epidermidis, Micrococcus species, Corynebacterium species. Nextly, normal flora of conjunctiva or eye. Conjunctiva is relatively free from bacteria due to high moisture content, mechanical blinking, secretion of lacrimals such as lysozyme in tears which flush out the bacteria. Some of the examples of normal microflora found are Moraxella, Staphylococcus epidermidis, diphtheroids. Normal flora of nose or nasopharynx. Nasopharynx. So, nasopharynx is the natural habitat of common pathogenic bacteria such as diphtheroids, Staphylococcus, Streptococcus, Moraxilla. Normal flora of upper respiratory tract. As we know, pharynx is the initial point of entry of colonization. Within 12 hours of birth, alpha hemolytic streptococci are found in the upper respiratory tract. The common normal flora found here are Streptococcus species, Corynebacterium, Neisseria bordetella. Normal flora of mouth. Mouth contains varied microorganisms ranging widely. Gum pockets between teeth and crypts of tonsils have got anaerobic flora such as fusiform bacilli, treponeme, lactobacilli, candida. Neonates are generally composed of streptococci, while at puberty bacteroids are found. Normal flora of gastrointestinal tract. Stomach. The organisms in stomach are usually transient due to the acidic nature and are kept low. However, acid-tolerant microorganism, namely Helicobacter pylori, is a potential stomach pathogen. Intestine. The organism participates in bile acid conversion and in the production of ammonia. The small intestine involves the normal microbial flora such as streptococci, lactobacilli, enterococci, Clostridium species, while the large intestine consists of bacteroids, Bifidobacterium, E. coli, Candida, Entamoeba estematica, etc. The gastrointestinal tract of fetus is usually sterile, while that of breastfed infants consists of lactobacilli or staphylococci. Finally, normal flora of urinogenital or genitourinary tract. Vagina of newly born child is generally sterile. However, colonization happens within the 24 hours after birth, and the flora keeps changing depending upon the pH and also with the age of an individual. Vagina consists of lactobacilli, streptococcus, strains of mycoplasma and ureaplasma as their normal flora. Transient organism that causes vaginitis includes Candida species. The male anterior urethra consists of enteric bacteria such as Enterococcus, while the female urethra consists of Staphylococcus epidermidis. The Mycobacterium smegmatis is an important organism that is present as commensal in both the males and females as part of normal microbial flora. What is the significance of this normal microbial flora? It constitutes protective host defense mechanism, also produce certain enzymes and proteins which are important for the human body. They also stimulate the immune system by the production of antibodies. Normal flora produce certain inhibitory substances that acts as antagonistic agents against the invading bacteria or the pathogens. Hope you guys liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel Dream Incubates.